Coming to VCC, I didn't even know what simulation labs were, but then I remember our first one, I was surprised that the mannequins spoke and they had different resp sounds, they had a heart rate, they had a voice.
It made me really feel more prepared in terms of this is what I'm expecting in the hospital and this is what I should be facing.
Hello, my name is Joanne Zakour, and I am the Dean of the School of Health Sciences at VCC. My current role is I am working on a provincial project and I'm leading the BC Student Practice Education Simulation Strategy for the province.
My name is Dustin Chan. I'm the Manager of Simulation and Experiential Learning here at the School of Health Sciences at Vancouver Community College.
VCC offers our health science students real learning for real change using a combination of strategies including classroom, theory, lab, simulation, and clinical experiences.
One of them is using standardized participants, which is a fancy word for actors, for role-playing and practicing communication. We also use high-fidelity mannequins that are very realistic, that allow us to do physical skills such as IV insertion, even chest compressions for CPR, and then finally we use virtual reality, which is immersive type learning.
We've learned basically the most essential nursing skills. So we check the airways, we check their breathing, we check their circulation.
Simulation-based learning in healthcare programming builds confidence, competence, and their critical thinking skills.
And so when they're out there actually seeing real patients, they've done it already at least once or twice, and they're exposed to that environment. So they're not so nervous and they have more confidence in dealing with that situation.
There is a very high demand for healthcare professionals in BC right now, and actually not just in BC, but across the country and globally. And factors that impact that are the aging population and people living longer and needing more complex care. The second factor is the same aging population are retiring and leaving healthcare professions, and we don't have enough healthcare students to fill that gap. VCC and the School of Health Sciences offers our students quality education and committed faculty. Both of those factors lead to them being practice ready and highly sought after by our healthcare employers.
The vision for VCC Simulation Center is to increase capacity. As technology moves quicker than anything we know of, it's important for us here in the Simulation Center to stay current with that. Students coming to VCC are going to get this one-to-one training with their faculty members in a simulation-based environment using the latest technologies.
What I like the most about VCC is they encourage collaboration with students and instructors.
Ultimately for me, it has been the professors that have really encouraged us, and they really feel like a teammate through our whole nursing school life, and I just feel like you need that to get through nursing. Definitely go to VCC. It is an amazing school, amazing facility. They have amazing support and help, and you make some of your best friends here.